Imagine the rugged DNA of a Land Rover Defender, but with an open cargo bed, a tougher attitude, and the versatility of a true work-ready truck. That's exactly why the rumored 2027 Defender pickup has so many people talking. If Land Rover actually brings this idea to production, it could become one of the most exciting luxury off-road pickups on the market. The 2027 Defender pickup is expected to take the iconic boxy Defender shape and transform it into a more practical truck configuration. Up front, you can expect the familiar upright grille, distinctive LED lighting, a muscular hood, and that unmistakable Defender profile. But behind the cabin, the SUV-style body would make way for a dedicated pickup bed, creating a completely different personality. The design could combine premium luxury with serious off-road hardware. Large all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, protective body cladding, and a high riding stance would give this Defender a commanding presence. And because the Defender name is built around adventure, the pickup would need to look just as capable off the pavement as it does cruising through the city. Inside, expect the same philosophy Land Rover uses across the modern Defender lineup: rugged materials, premium finishes, modern technology, and a cabin designed to survive an active lifestyle. A large central touchscreen digital driver display, smartphone connectivity, advanced navigation, and premium audio could all be part of the package. The real excitement, however, would come from its capability. A Defender pickup would need serious four-wheel drive technology, sophisticated terrain management, and strong towing ability. Depending on the final powertrain lineup, buyers could see turbocharged gasoline engines, hybrid technology, or potentially other electrified options. The goal would be simply deliver strong acceleration on the road while maintaining the traction and control needed when the pavement disappears. Imagine taking it through deep mud, rocky trails, sand, or steep mountain roads. That combination of luxury, technology, and off-road capability could make the Defender pickup very different from traditional trucks. And then there's practicality. The pickup bed could make it useful for carrying camping equipment, outdoor gear, motorcycles, tools, or anything else an adventure-focused owner might need. It wouldn't simply be a lifestyle truck. It could potentially become a genuine all-purpose vehicle. Pricing is still one of the biggest questions because a 2027 Defender pickup has not been officially confirmed with complete production specifications. If Land Rover does introduce one, expect pricing to reflect its premium positioning and advanced off-road technology. Depending on the configuration, it could compete with high-end trucks while offering something much rarer, genuine luxury combined with Defender-level adventure capability. So would you choose a 2027 Defender pickup over a Ford FF-150 Raptor, GMC Sierra 80 Forks, or another premium off-roader? If Land Rover builds it, this could be one of the most talked about pickups of its generation. Let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming cars, trucks, and automotive news.